Please read your new text message. 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 Please read your new text message.
WSL Finals, if the women's title match was any indication, goes into layback and pulls it out.
See, he's starting. You can see he's like battling towards the right, but then he looks at the right and see that it's a little bit more critical and just goes to straight a big boost. Got hung up a little bit, but still it was a great effort for him. It was a big air to start.
Yeah, Rich, check it out here.
There was a lot of theatrics with this one. So he gets up there, starts the rotation. You can see here, brings the nose around, the front foot barely staying in contact, and then basically has to lay down in the whitewash here. And again, that core strength, being able to muscle himself back onto his board. But
tail high on that one got released. But the 7th,
pushing as much as you could right there in that section.
Yeah.
That was great. I like.
Through that bottom turn, and now he starts to wind up again. One thing to note about the way John Florence surf, he's like a swivel. There's so much twisting and contorting.
Here we go. Here it comes.
Here comes Italo using his priority. Pereira looking for a ramp down the line, pops it up, full rotation, puts it down, and points to the fans. If you got a 7.33 for the last one.
I mean, I think so too. He had a little bit more time to actually get speed, and I wanted to pay attention on the head rotation that he has on that turn. As you're going to see right here, he's going to aim that straight into the flats, but halfway through the turn, look, he starts to set up, aims that lip down, aims it to the shore, and then right there, halfway through, he throws that head all the way around to get the full rotation as he landed so clean. That was beautiful work from him.
If you were a skateboarder, you would call that bolts. That was a perfect landing.
It's pressure building up, and Italo looks like it's going to get another one.
This time going left, Ferreira. One more slash, a little bit of a buried rail. Taper on this one. He's going to stick with it. Fairly similar to his 7.17. He needs an 8.16. And you can see even with the body language kicking out of that one, he can feel the number himself. What do you think, Jesse?
You can see it right here. It's a bit of an A-frame, but this is beautiful turn, but a bit catchy right there. Got the tail high. And then this one, he pushed hard, but as you see, he had to force through those turns the whole time. This is another great turn. But I don't know. I don't know if it's going to come in an 8.16.
Gets the grab rail. Nose pick gets so low right here. All that body transition, the weight going from the tail to the front foot. Now he powers up again, straight into a layback power hack. It's a tiny bit of tail release there. As you said, Jesse, just gets caught on his heel side.
Italo uses his priority. Ferreira stomps on the tail, waiting for a ramp, builds up speed now. Flat spin, gets on his toes, goes down. So we're still waiting for that John score for wave number 2 that is going to decide title match heat number 1.
This is unbelievable.
Comes in, 8-3-3, John. Heat 1 of the title match is his. Early advantage to John Florence. Jesse did that with just 2 waves ridden in Heat 1 of the title match.
That was crazy turning point for John.
Jesse, can we even question the energy of Italo? I mean, now he's going to be in a position where he's surfing in another matchup here. Matchup number 2.
Really just absorb it and reset again. And then come back firing. But let's check the energy level on this first wave.
Already grabbing the start and taking control is Italo.